Replacing the wiper blades on a Ford Escape. I have this style. If yours looks like this, then this video is for you. It just has like, you know, I guess it just looks like that. So basically what you want to do is there's tabs on the bottom. You want to squeeze these tabs together, and you want to go ahead and pull it out from the bottom, and then you can go straight out from the front. And it should come undone. You might have to wiggle it a little bit. Obviously you're holding your wiper arm steady so it doesn't slam down on your windshield. But that's how you get it off. And then once you get it off, our new one, it may come with this hook style. You got to switch the adapter. It's not really a big deal. It's just a different fitting pretty much. This is for the Ford Escape wiper arm. This hook style is for like Toyotas and Hondas. So there's a little button there. You push that button down and then you slide this out. Definitely use two hands. It's not as hard as I'm making it look. I just have one hand doing it. But yeah, just slide that out. Get our new one here. And then this goes in. There's like a little point right here. And then on the adapter there's a point. And that's those two spots go together obviously. So what you do is you just kind of put it on here and you slide it into it. Like this. It might click. And then once you have that, the wiper blade's ready to be installed on the car, on the arm. We're going to install these bottom tabs first. What you do is you just get these bottom tabs in their little niche right there. And then when those are good in their spot, you should be able to just gently press the front down, and then that front little plate will just hop right over the hook. So as you can see, I'm just going to push this down. And if it's giving you problems, you shouldn't have any problems, so realign if you're having issues. But yeah, it should just clip over. It looks like that when it's done. And that's how to replace the wiper blade on a Ford Escape. Obviously, take the little white part off. That's just your protector. If your wiper blades look a little different or not this style, then you have to check out another video. I do have another video on the hook style. It's for a Sienna. Thanks for watching.